What's up, guys? Welcome back to the stream. Today it is 9:30 in a couple minutes. Just getting ready for the day. Let's see. We have a couple 15-minute fair value gaps down here that we could retrace into before reversing. We did have an inside candle on the daily. Look at the daily chart. We did have an inside candle here. And possible. This is the swing low now on a daily, which is a little bit more significant. Let me remove all these. Yeah, we have a swing low on the daily here, which is a little bit more significant for it to want to come and retrace up into here. So we'll be watching that. Probably my bias is more bullish. I wouldn't mind early morning taking out a dipping down into like a sell side first, but our bias today is going to be bullish. As far as what I see on the daily chart. Get that fair value gap down here on the 15-minute. It might leave. It would be nice if we leave that alone today. We'll definitely start to sweep yesterday's high and the day before's yesterday's high. We'll definitely sweep those. It's kind of like the major targets for the day, and then we might get a run up into that, but I don't know about that one for today. Alright, let's go to 1 minute here, wait for our opening bell. It is now 9:30, so we are ready to trade. It did trade into made lows during Asia, high during London. I think we'll probably continue that trend higher. Today, like I said, I'm more on a bullish bias today. It's the 1 minute. Time is at 9 o'clock. So we have the range, the micro range that we're trading in right now will be this up to here. And then I'm gonna remember my rules from yesterday. If I do trade before 9:45, I'm going to probably put my stop loss a lot higher and reduce size and scale into a trade. And let's see what we got for news. Oops. Oh. We have 8:30, which was already done. Upcoming news, we have pending home sales, which is not that big of a news, but we do have some news at 10. Go check my stream here real quick, make sure we're streaming. Let's see here. Alright, looks like the stream is looking good. So we dipped down into that fair value gap at the 9 o'clock, 9:50 to 9:50 to, or I'm sorry, 8:50 to 9:10 macro fair value gap here. Nothing really that I'm super interested in. We did have a little break of structure here. Then we had a break of structure here with these wicks. So right now I'm just gonna wait for a swing high or a swing low before I place a trade here. So that's what we're gonna wait for. Just a swing high or a swing low. And then we'll draw our fib and we'll look wherever that takes us. Looks like we're gonna get that swing high. That little fair value gap. I'm gonna go ahead and place a trade there. Do like one buy. I do not like that. So let's mark out the 945 level. Take a buy there, and then my stop loss, put it below that order right here. At least get a one, pretty much a 1-to-1. Let's see if we take out that London and then drive it higher. Looks like this is just a stop hunt. If not, we're gonna just get stopped out here. And we did. Well, 9:30 is definitely not my friend right now. I think we're gonna wait the first 15 minutes before we do anything anymore. The next sell side is gonna be down here. Probably going down to fill, excuse me, probably going down to fill in that 15-minute fair value gap. I'm still bullish on the day. I think we could get a quick little reversal here. Alright, it's dipping down into that fair value gap. There is no pullback there. That was just straight through. That's what it's been doing the past couple days. Just running straight through things. Alright, 9:45. See if we can form some sort of structure here. Dip down into that fair value gap. Oh no, not again, dude. Dude, I think somebody's trying to hack my stuff because even today I got a notification on Amazon where they're like sending me a passcode last night to get into buy stuff. Oh man, restart computer. Control Shift N. Alright, let's try that. Okay. There we go. We are back. Hopefully that stops whatever's going on. Alright, so now this is what I want to see. I want to see us break above that. Break above that. Trace down and then see some if we can take this higher. We're so close to Asian session liquidity that I do think we'll take that out. But we'll see. Alright, sorry, get kind of discombobulated there. Let's do that. Alright, we just took out Asia session here. Alright, sorry about that. There we go. Alright, we took out sell side here. And now we're just kind of waiting. We do have all this here. Let's look on the 15-minute. Man, and just running through that low. We just took out yesterday's low there. So what I'm planning is doing like a 950 to 1010 short-term reversal trade where we start to go up into a premium, and we'll take a little reversal, and then it'll probably sell back down to this area here, yesterday's high. See if we can get a little trade off that. Nope, we'll have to wait for some form of structure at this point, because I think we're reaching down into a level that could have a short-term reversal. I'd like to see some structure first, though, before I buy up anything, at least for a short term. Well, this is fun. I'm definitely not used to these market conditions where we just dump and never get a pullback. Definitely not. I'm actually, I like short selling, but like, there's no structure for me to short off of. I just have to take a trade off of a gap. Yes. Just fair value gap, and then just take a trade below it. That's the only entry that I could see here. Like that first fair value gap, just take a trade short. But I think we will get the retracement up into all this. This is just a low liquidity run, or low resistance liquidity run. Let us see here what we got going on our higher time frame. So still got these areas. Well, we did take out this this major sell side level here, like I showed you in the higher time frame. We are pushing back up. We'll see what we do here. Kind of clean up our chart a little bit. Let's see what we can get out of this here. It's 10 o'clock. See if we can get a little shift up into this area here. I wouldn't mind being a buyer all the way up there. Excuse me, I'm blowing my nose here. Did not follow my rules today either. Of did not follow my rules today for wicking above a high is not taking out a high, so we just wick above here. To see a shift of structure, we need to close above it before coming back down. And I was just got FOMO and got wrecked, so that's what I get. No, that's what I get. I'm glad I'm trading on a demo, learning all these things on a demo instead of a live account. Alright, so we have an order block here. Let's see if we can respect that order block. Drive price higher, break up structure, and then wait for it to dip down into a discount on that break up structure range. And then we can look at taking a trade to go for around that area as the first take partial, even around here, these order block areas, and then leave one to run up to and that first presented fair value gap. Since this is the leap challenge, I have to trade more size, or a leap competition, if you will. I'm definitely not gonna be anywhere near first place or anything, or anywhere in the top 250, because, like, let me show you these guys. Where would I go to see that? Here. Home. 16 hours left. Though this is the last day of the leap competition. I have 2.57. But look at these guys. Realized profits 3,000%. Says 2,000%. Like, these guys are insane. Insane. It's crazy, dude. Oh, this guy trades traditional retail stuff. was cool. Alright, we got the break that we were looking for as far as structure. Got a swing low there, respecting that order block. And now, what we do is draw a little fib, like so. Take order there. See if we... Oh, man. Reclamation block there. Paired with a fair value gap. I wish I put more sides on, but that's okay. See if we can recover any loss here. I wish I got the entry where I wanted it, but that's not. It's pretty bad fill, but it's okay. I'll probably be in drawdown for a brief second or two, and then see if we can push out of here. Wouldn't mind it dipping down in here again. See if we can get something. Sure wish I put more contracts on. Like at least two, took one off and then let one run, but hitting that fair value gap here. I'm gonna take off that trade for the recovery, at least to recover 1,000 of what I lost today, which is pretty good. I should not have traded that in opening, but I did. What a dude. And then that's okay. Learn my lesson. Alright, then see if we can. If we get a dip back down in there, I wouldn't mind taking another trade with a short stop loss. It would have to be the lower half, though. I think more towards like an order block trade. If I had two on here, I would have taken one off and then left one to run, but I didn't have two trades on. So, alright, well, I think that's going to finish my day of trading. I might try to trade a little bit this afternoon, and then keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, we'll see what we try to do, if I feel like trading this afternoon or not. Because at this point, I do not see it retracing back down very far. If it does, it might just start heading towards that sell side. But this little trade we found yesterday, where we take out the swing high, like a shift of structure here, and then we take the reclamation block. It's called reclamation block. So basically, the first up close or the last up close candle before the down move, and just basically the top of a swing high, and then if a fair value gap or a order block forms within that, while taking out that swing high candle here, if anything forms in this area, then we can use that to take a trade off of. So alright, I think that concludes at least the morning session live stream for me. And I don't know if I'm going to trade afternoon, see if I have some time, but alright, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and stay profitable.